Guys, good morning. Ruby here. I like to walk every morning. Monday to Friday I do a little morning walk exercise. So now I am out. It's a bit noisy here but on the street because I'm walking on the street where a lot of motor vehicles are passing through. But this is me here doing my step, and I like to do this. It does help me when I do walk. I wish I could do it in the winter, but when the summer comes, I like to do some morning walk. So I do this Monday to Friday. I don't go on a Saturday or Sunday, but I like to do Monday to Friday. So here I am, stretch walking. You can see me here. I'm sure you can hear the vehicle passing on the street. And you can see the leaves, they are very green and beautiful. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if you do, like, subscribe, share and comment, and also get up in the morning, guys. Take a morning walk. It's very good for you. It's very healthy when you do some form of walking or exercise. So take care of yourself, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be good to yourself. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload.